Okay. We're trying to get rid of hiccups.
Yeah, get rid of hiccups.
Ow! Move!
I'm sorry. Okay. Try the drinking one. Like, okay, so get a 12-ounce glass of water, plug your ears, then your nose, like this. Pick up the glass with the remote. How are you supposed to pick up the remote?
I'm gonna get a glass of water.
So you would be like this? Oh, okay. Plug on. Oh my god, change the angle. My sister has hiccups. Oh no. Oh, maybe I can hold the cup for her. Alright, look, I got it. I'll hold the cup for you. I'm pretty sure it's like a 10 ounce. Okay. Okay. Come on, I don't want to try myself.
Ow.
Okay. So, why don't you drink straight from the bottle? I'll hold the bottle for you.
This camera isn't on.
Okay. Okay, so plug it. Okay, so you want to do this, yeah? Take your index like this. Take your middle fingers like this.
I can't reach.
Middle finger, or ring fingers. Or whatever to plug the rest of your...
Plug it.
Plug your nose, then your ears, okay?
Plug my nose, then my ears.
Alright.
Wait, I can't reach. There you go. Wait. Ow.
Come on, Liz, you gotta work with it.
I really don't know where your father is. And that's the truth.
Okay.
You're right.
Is it working?
What do you think of?
Try again.
No, which is why
I didn't drink any water.
But the hiccups are gone.
No, they're not.
I don't hear any.
Okay.
Just give it a while.
I'm your mother.
I usually just drink water.
Don't spit all over the place.
I won't.
The cool.
Yesterday, but
Chuck is weird.
Oh yeah, just take the camera off.
That's not true.
Ew.
You know what she wants. Rachel's still mad about the whole thing.
I think they're gone.
Look at that.
They're gone.
Okay, you couldn't get rid of them without me. There you go.
Because they're annoying.
If they come back, just wake me up and I'll help you out, okay?
I was about to go to bed, and they came and
Dude, it's only 11:30. I still gotta write an essay.
I had to read.
Yeah, well, reading's easier than...
Water.
What are you putting an ad on my YouTube?
Yes. Water. This is the Walmart brand,
No, it's not Sam's Choice.
which is from Walmart stores.
Not same. You can buy them from there, but the brand is obviously Sam's Choice. I like the indents on the bottle. That's what my tongue is. Oh, I gotta make my coffee for tomorrow. Alright, Lizzie. Oh, we should have a Nerf gun to shoot it like Jumba. You having fun there?
So let me get this straight. If you go on doing the smart,
Hey, it took less than a minute to get rid of them.
And it was because of me. You're welcome. I'll take this
I'm not
stuff.
saying thank you.
You can take the cup up to the left. Take the water out.
No, I'm taking the water.